Hey guys, I got the coffee maker on. Seems to be pouring. I put 8 cups in there to begin with, just to make sure that fogged up the glass did. It was clear. I guess all the hot coffee going in there is bound to look that way. So it seems to be working. You can't really see it because of the cloudiness, but it's pouring the coffee. Like I say, you just never know you know, with Longhurst. What's happening? I've taken a few things back, things I bought, so it seems to be alright for now. And if not, I'll just have to take it back and get a different one. So it's working. Just wanted to show you guys anyway. Only cost 22 bucks. Well, I think 22 and a little bit of change here and there. Okay, guys, this is supposed to have an automatic stop thing. Let's see. Let's stop. Let's see if it starts back up and I put it back in. Got to take that part out. Didn't affect nothing. Okay, well, I guess we'll get the coffee on. Holla at y'all later. Peace.